welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can make within the range of $5 to $20 from the comfort of your home transcribing. And what is transcribing, guys? Transcribing is simply turning spoken words into text. And if you're in Nigeria, you would agree with me that currently the exchange rate of naira to dollars is around $800. So when you multiply $800 by $5, it's going to give you 4,000 naira, guys. So 4,000 naira, what I'm going to be teaching you today is going to be making for you between the range of 4,000 naira to 16,000 naira hourly from the comfort of your home transcribing. Let's go right in. Alright, so transcription is all about turning audio words into text. And there are two skills you will need to do this, which will be the reading skill, the listening skill, and the typing skill. But first of all, let me show you two ways you can be a transcriber. The first way will be as a freelancer, which will mean you working with the likes of Fiverr. So now let's come on here on Fiverr. So you just type transcribe audio. So there are numerous people here transcribing audio. You see, I will provide high quality transcription audio or video. This is starting at $5. This is $5. This is $10. This is $35. This is Upwork also. You also type transcription. You can see this is $8 per hour. This is $29 per hour. This is $10 per hour. But the problem with this is that it is very competitive. So I wouldn't advise this, especially when you're just starting out as a transcriber. This is not a way to go. There are companies that can employ you full-time. They have jobs already on ground. So once you sign up with the company, there are jobs already that they are relinquishing to people who are joining them for the first time. All right. So all you've got to do is to pass the entrance exam of this company. All right. All you've got to do is to pass their entrance exams. And how do you pass the entrance exam? There are two skills you will need, two basic skills that you need, two people. The first one is your ability to listen, and the second one is your ability to type. Now, like I said, this channel is all about helping you, and I don't just put out something there like every other YouTuber. I try to be as detailed as I can, and I try to explain what I have done, what works for me. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how you will pass this test. The easy way to pass this test is to learn skills. Number one is typing skill, your typing skill. So what I would advise for you to do is to come here. It is britishcouncil.org.ng. It is the IELTS platform. So on this platform, you would learn how to listen properly. How to listen properly. All right, so what you do is that you come down here and you click on prepare for your IELTS test. Hold on a minute, it's loading. All right, so it's done loading, and then you're here. So you click on free IELTS practice test. So free IELTS practice test is loading. So you come here and click on free online IELTS reading practice test, free IELTS online listening practice test. So you click on listening test because what you want to learn is listening. Now there are so many tests on listening. So that see IELTS practice listening test part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. So you click on part 1 for the beginners. You start from here. So this is it. This is the first part of your listening test, listening to the audio and answer. So all you've got to do is to listen to the audio properly and then reflect it here. So you can practice this over time, over and over and over again, until you get to a point where you're sure that you're good with listening. Because your job, my ladies and gentlemen, is going to be about listening and typing. So you need to work on your listening skill, and this platform is going to offer you the opportunity to learn that. Second is your typing skill. Now you come on this website, it's called typingtest.com. Now you see, check your typing skill in a minute. Type away to join 150 plus million test takers. So there are different type of tests. So you start from the minimum. So you see 1 minute test, 2 minute test, 3 minute test. So all you do is just type. There are going to be words that they give you to type. So you click on, you type those tests, start a test. So we click on start a test. It's going to start your test. So in order not to waste too much of our time, what this will do for you is that it will bring out a couple of texts. So you keep typing. So it measures in word per minute. Word per minute. So how many words you can type per minute. So you see there are words here. Chocolates covered. So I just type on chocolate covered almond. So you see, all of this was not typed properly.
So it's going to reduce my score, and the minimum score you need is 40. Once you have 40 and above, then you're good to go. But if you have 40 and below, then you failed. All right, so now that you've learned how to type this properly, how the two skills that you need to go further, I'm going to go a step further now to show you the website that can employ you as a full-time staff, and you can be transcribing for them continuously and making very good amount of money. The first of them will be 3playmedia.com. 3playmedia.com. So you see how much more? We are glad you asked and all that. So you click on jobs on 3playmedia.com. It's going to load. It's taking its time to load. Hold on a minute. So you see, join the 3Play Media team. 3Play Media team is a rapidly growing provider of video accessibility services with our home base located in the North End neighborhood of Boston. We are looking for motivated, energetic, and creative candidates who are excited to help us transform the way people access video. So they are going to be giving you videos. All you've got to do is to type the voice you're hearing on the video and then send the text. See, you see? Full-time career. You can decide to sign up for a full-time career or as a freelance transcriptionist job. So you see, guys, what I'm sharing with you is real. Now, like I said, listen to this video carefully to the end. There's going to be a part where I will share with you a hack on how you can be able to, after you've gotten this job, after you've passed your screening test and you've gotten this job, a hack where you can be able to transcribe what they give you. Website where you can just put the audio or video they give you on the website, and it's going to transcribe it for you very quickly in less than a minute. And all you've got to do is to check it for corrections, copy it, and paste it. All right, guys, so the next website is gotranscript.com. Now, this is gotranscript.com. So GoTranscript captions, translations up to 2. It's cheaper for some people. So you see, transcription from $0.77 per minute and all that. So in order to get this job, you go down to the footer of the website. So you see work, affiliate, transcription, editor. Here we are. So you click on work. So you see transcription jobs available worldwide. Join GoTranscript and be part of a global team of professional transcription. So all you've got to do is to sign up here, and then you pass the screening test and you start editing. All right, the next one will be scribby.com. So you see, intermediate, beginner. So what they're saying is that as a beginner, you can make up to $400 per month transcribing. This is so good. If you're a Nigerian, you know what $400 per month means, right? $100 per month right now is around 80,000 naira. So you do 80,000 naira times 4. That's like 320,000 naira per month. Ladies and gentlemen, how many companies in Nigeria will pay you 320K a month, right? So as a beginner, you can earn up to $400 per month. Daily hours is 8 hours per day working with Scribby. As an intermediate, the more you do it, the better you get. As an intermediate, you can earn up to $800 per month. As an advanced, you can earn up to $1,600 per month working 8 hours every day. And then the next website will be rev.com. So rev.com, all you've got to do is to sign up with rev.com, and then you are on your way to start making. Of course, like I said, there are always tests you have to pass, and I've shown you how you would pass this test. The next website is waywithword.com. So you see home, about, service, contact, signing. So you go to the footer of this website, about us, audios, video captioning, transcription, and then you look for where register is. You register with this website. Having passed their test, you begin to transcribe with them. Now, I told you that I'm going to give you a hack on how you can after you've gotten this job, haven't gotten the job, how you can transcribe easily. A hack that you can also. All you've got to do is to come on YouTube. Now, this is my channel on YouTube. These are videos I've shot already. So if let's assume a text or a video was given to you, you just come on YouTube, and then these are my videos. You just create here would allow you to post or publish the video on YouTube. Having published the video on YouTube, is going to appear like this. So let's assume I want to edit. This is the video and I've uploaded it already. Okay, let's go back.
a job.
Let me go to my videos. It's going to take a few minutes to load. I mean, transcription job online is one of the fastest way you can make money. As long as you can pass the entrance test, you're good to go. And I've showed you already how you can pass the entrance test. So all right, so this is a video I've made already. So assuming this is the video, all you've got to do is you've been given a video, you just come here, create, and then publish the video. You post the video on YouTube, and then you come here, assuming this is now the video, you click on details of the video. This is the details of the video and all that. So you come down here to subtitles. So you click on subtitles, you come here, click on duplicate and edit, and you see, guys, everything I said in this video has been transcribed. Hello my friends, I just want to take a minute of your time to remind you that you're wonderful. This is everything I said in this video and it has been transcribed. All you have to do is listen carefully one more time to be sure that everything that was said in the video is correct. Everything that is transcribed here is correct. And guys, all you have to do is to copy this text, put it in a Word and send it to the company, and boom, you have your video transcribed already. And then a work of an hour that you get paid around $8 per hour, you get it done easier and easily in a few minutes. All right guys, so thank you for watching this video. Do very well to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and also comment on if you have a video you want me to make, or you have something you're not clear with. Please leave a comment, a comment in the comment section. I'm always going to reply.